We're now here with the Brink Locking System Company, the premier lock manufacturer in the entire correctional industry. All right, Mr. Jason Loomis. So Jason, we got a couple questions for you this morning. What new technology is Brink's using in modern prison locks?
In modern prison locks, not so much the locks, but the sliding door. Our 57700, we developed a new solid-state control. It monitors all the electrical inputs, outputs, and switch continuity. It also shows the output to your motor. Along with that, we have easily accessible fuses and a soft door close. All that stuff could be programmed by the installer, and then later on during maintenance, the guy can open the hood of the sliding door. Once that's opened up, these lights will tell you anything that's wrong. So instead of having to go back and get tools and figure out, diagnose and then go back, you can do it all in one shot.
Great. All right, the second question we have is, I know that Brink goes through a great deal of research and development in the design of prison locks. What kind of testing is done at your facility?
During design phases, we do cycle tests, door impact tests, a whole plethora of different testing. But once we're finished, we go and have third-party testing done by outfits, by like UL, and ASTM. We test all to the ASTM standards. So if there's an ASTM standard out there for a prison lock, we have it. And we have all the documentation here today to show that.
Well, that's a great answer. Now we have a little bit more time. I'd like you to introduce Charlie Brink, the owner of Brink. Show him a little bit more of your different product lines and your full capabilities.
I'm Charlie Brink, Charles Brink, president of Brink Locking Systems, a company founded by my father, Robert Brink. And as you can see, this is our product line, absent the sliding doors, which would be too large to bring here. These are all for swing doors, okay? And with prison locks, you might intuitively think they mount in the door, but they actually mount in the frame of the door. And these are frame sections, and for a typical cell door, this would be the width of the frame, and the door would slam into it as such, which provides much better structural integrity against a forcing attack from an inmate. One of the products that separate us from brand X, shall we say, is that we actually utilize a genuine mogul cylinder. And what I mean by that is that the internal workings, the pin tumblers,
Turn it towards the camera.
the pin tumblers, the core, the keyway are all proportionally larger than a typical, what they call a builder's hardware cylinder. And here's the key, a larger key also. And this benefits the end user greatly because it's longer, it gives much greater durability. So, and we're unique in the industry that we actually provide a genuine mogul cylinder, as opposed to just a builder's hardware cylinder with a larger body.